So let me show you how to set an alarm on the iPhone Air. So you want to go to the clock app, and in the clock app, tap on alarms. And these are alarms I've set up previously. So to set a new alarm, just tap on the plus icon in the top right corner and then select the time for your alarm. So let's say I want mine at exactly 5:15 in the morning. I'm going to choose 5:15, and then I can choose whether I want it every day or just the next time it's 5:15. So for me, since I want it every day, I'm just gonna make sure I check every day except Sunday. Okay, and then hit the back button, and then I can give my alarm a name. I'm gonna call it wake up, and then you can choose the sound for that alarm. You can pick any of the songs that come pre-installed on the iPhone, or you can even go to Apple Music and pick a song from Apple Music and use it as your alarm. So then once you do that, the next thing is you can turn on snooze. You can turn snooze on or off, and then you can choose the snooze duration, and then tap on the check mark, and that's going to be your alarm. So that is basically how to create or set an alarm on your iPhone Air. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.